I'm Chamanjong. Now I'm going to explain the solution for this question. By applying the Green's theorem oriented anticlockwise, we will obtain the equation which is del G over del X minus del F over del Y. And we will continue the next step. First thing first, we are going to set 1 plus xy squared as our fx and negative x squared y as our gx, and then we will differentiate f in terms of y, then we obtain 2xy, and differentiate g in terms of x, we will get negative 2xy. So now we are going to determine the y limit for upper and lower limit. So the lower limit will be y equal to x squared, since in the view of y-axis, we are going to touch the curve first, and we are going to reach the limit which is at y equals to 1. So now we are going to determine the upper and lower limit for the x. So it's very obvious when we look from left to right, the first thing we are going to see is negative 1. And the upper limit of the function curve, we are going to obtain 1 as our upper limit. After we substitute the value of 2xy and negative 2xy into the equation, we obtain negative 4xy as our final equation, and we will then continue the integration process. When we integrate negative 4xy, we are going to obtain negative 4xy squared over 2, and we will then substitute the upper and lower limit for y, which is 1, and x squared, and we will then obtain negative 2x plus 2x cubed, and then we'll continue integrate in terms of x. We will then integrate the function of negative 2x plus 2x cubed, and we will then obtain negative x squared plus x power of 4 over 2. And we will then substitute the upper and lower boundary of 1 and negative 1 into the equations. After substituting the 1 and negative 1 to the x, we will then obtain negative 1 over 2 minus negative 3 over 2. After subtraction, we are going to obtain negative 2 as our final answer.